Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 24th, 2022, Part 2. This week's theme is rain. Ivy and the Lonely Raincloud by Katie Harnett. Once there was a rain cloud. This is the rain cloud. The rain cloud was sad because the horrible hot sun had scared all the other clouds away, and he was the only one left. He had no one to talk to and no one to play with. He needed a friend. So he looked, and he looked, and he looked, but no one wanted to be his friend. He had almost given up when he spied a small figure down below him. The girl didn't look happy with the sunshine. She looked grumpy. Maybe she was lonely too. So the lonely rain cloud followed her to the market, where she was grumpy. He followed her to the metro, where everyone was grumpy. He followed her home, where she was very grumpy. Leave me alone! The rain cloud was starting to suspect that the girl didn't want a friend at all. But if she wasn't lonely, why was she so cross? Arg! She was grumpy when she watered. She was grumpy when she arranged her flowers. Even when she seemed happy, eventually she was grumpy. The rain cloud felt sorry for her. Being grumpy is just another way of being sad, he thought. And then he thought another little thought. He watered, and he watered, and he watered. The next morning, the girl couldn't believe her eyes. From then on, the happy rain cloud and the girl grew beautiful flowers together, come rain or shine. The end. Okay, so we're going to make a shaving cream rain cloud. All you'll need is the Craft to Go kit, has a cup in it. You're going to fill that up about 2/3 of the way full of water. You need shaving cream. Right here, it's just generic shaving cream. And food coloring, I picked green and blue. So what we're going to do is just put a little dollop of shaving cream in there. Make sure the water surface is covered. And then that'll be our rain cloud. Looks good to me. And then we'll put some drops of food coloring on there and see what happens. So we got the blues and I got the greens in the middle. And then I'll turn this around and you can see what's happening down here. Oops, there it goes. As you can see, it is raining food coloring. You see it coming down inside the cup. And it makes all kinds of neat little designs in there. So you go ahead and let that go. Let's turn it around so you can see the blue better. Seems to be going mostly in the back. I guess I put a lot of green in there. The blue looks good too. Kind of reminds me of the sea. But look at all the little strings that are going on in the water with the food coloring. And it's starting to blend together. The blue in the middle there almost looks like a water spout. And that's all you'll do. And that is your shaving cream rain cloud. I can't say that, but that's what it is.